LinkedIn lead generation strategies with AI, zero to hero. AnyBiz. LinkedIn lead generation involves acquiring new clients through the LinkedIn platform by engaging with professionals and decision makers interested in business. The goal is to cultivate interactions that lead to potential business conversations, sales, collaborations, and relationships. LinkedIn serves as a professional platform for both B2B and B2C connections. It facilitates networking for B2B expansion and provides opportunities for B2C enterprises to engage directly with customers. Its lead nurturing capabilities enable ongoing communication for fostering long-term client relationships. Small businesses benefit from building personal relationships and engaging in relevant LinkedIn groups. Medium-sized businesses should focus on content marketing and targeted LinkedIn ads. Large enterprises can leverage LinkedIn for broad strategies and utilize advanced analytics tools like Sales Navigator. In specific industries, technology and software companies can share innovations, while manufacturing and logistics firms should focus on industry insights. Consulting and professional services should highlight customer success stories and expertise through blog articles. In LinkedIn lead generation, businesses encounter common obstacles such as high competition, precise audience targeting, creating engaging content, building meaningful connections, prioritizing lead quality, navigating LinkedIn's algorithm, and managing costs effectively. Best practices for free lead generation on LinkedIn: optimize your profile, use a professional photo, compelling headline, detailed summary, and featured section. Content creation: share valuable insights consistently through articles, videos, and other content types. Network building: connect strategically, follow industry leaders, and join relevant groups to expand your network. Active engagement: like, comment, and share content daily. Respond promptly to comments and start conversations to encourage engagement. Leverage recommendations and endorsements. Seek endorsements and request recommendations to enhance credibility. Utilize LinkedIn Analytics. Top 3 AI tools for LinkedIn lead generation. 1. AnyBiz.io pioneers LinkedIn lead generation with AI-driven innovation. Its agents foster genuine engagement, tailoring messages for each connection. Integrated with CRM systems and supporting over 30 languages, AnyBiz ensures streamlined global outreach, making it indispensable for international markets. 2. Taplio streamlines LinkedIn content strategy and personal branding through AI-powered content creation and engagement analysis. It simplifies post management and offers valuable insights to enhance visibility and engagement on the platform. 3. Octopus CRM enhances LinkedIn lead generation and relationship management with AI-driven automation. Tailored for sales, marketing, and recruiting professionals, it streamlines connection management and campaign optimization. AI automates personalized connection requests and follow-up messages, optimizes campaigns, and provides actionable insights for success. LinkedIn lead generation's future will be shaped by AI, offering hyper-personalization, predictive lead scoring, automated relationship building, dynamic content optimization, cross-channel integration, and advanced analytics. AnyBiz leads with its advanced AI, delivering tailored experiences, insights, and seamless automation. If you found value in this, give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe to keep up with our future releases. Your support keeps us going strong.